Hello students, I am Sabanigar. Today I will teach you the second chapter of class 7 science nutrition in animals. This chapter will cover various important points like different ways of taking food in animals, digestion, digestive system of human being, various parts of digestive system in human beings and the digestion in grass eating animals. So, let's continue the topic. In the very first chapter, we learned that most of the plants make their food by themselves through the process of photosynthesis, but the animals have not this ability. They depend on plants for their food, either directly or indirectly. How? Let's take a look at the example. A zebra eats grass or other plants, and that zebra is eaten by lion. If there would be no plants, then there would be no zebra. And if there would be no zebra, then how can the lion be survived? Thus, we can say that every single organism is dependent on plants either directly or indirectly. What is nutrition? The process of taking in food and utilizing it in the body is called nutrition. We all know that we require nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, and minerals. We cannot digest these nutrients in their original form. So our body break down that nutrition, these carbohydrates, into simpler forms so that they can be digested easily. It is digested to gain energy. Now, different ways of taking food. There are different organisms and that different organisms take food in various ways. Some suck the food, some chew the food, and some feed on their mother's milk. Like bees suck the nectar from flower, bear chew the fishes, infants of human and many other animals feed on mother's milk. So there are many types of methods through which the organisms take their food. The next is digestion in humans. Before we go through the digestion in humans, we have to know what is digestion. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down the complex substances of food into their simpler forms. Students, look here. This is the complex substances that have many molecules, and this molecules is broken down into smaller units. These are simpler substances. When these are broken into smaller units, then they produce energy. And this energy, we use this energy to do various activities in our life. So without breaking the molecules, we cannot digest anything. So large molecule is break down into its smaller unit so that it can be absorbed by our body. Now let's come to the digestion in humans. In human, the digestion begins at buccal cavity and then divided into the following compartments. What are the compartments? The buccal cavity, food pipe. The other name of food pipe is esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and the last is anus. Students, this is digestive system of human. When we take a food, then the digestion starts from the mouth or the buccal cavity. And this mouth has a salivary gland. This salivary gland secretes the digestive juices that helps in the digestion. And when the food passes through the mouth, it goes through the esophagus. Esophagus is a small pipe that aids in the alimentary canal. And there is the stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. This digestive is ended at the anus. These parts together are called as alimentary canal, or we can say that digestive tract. And there are various glands like salivary gland, liver, pancreas. These glands secrete digestive juices or enzymes. These enzymes help in the digestion. So this is the digestive system of human being. We will discuss in more detail later.